What's going on, guys? It's your boy NTG, back at again with another podcast. So you guys already know what the deal is. We're gonna be talking about some trading psychology. All right, guys. So you guys already know how we like to do it. We just go straight into the podcast, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about over trading. So over trading, a lot of you guys are still facing over trading. Now, there's a lot that comes with over trading, as far as, because you guys know, like I always say, trading psychology comes down to discipline, which is the core. And then we have sub branches of FOMO and over trading and risk and over leveraging accounts, everything like that, holding your trades. But when it comes to over trading, you guys are still struggling with over trading. So I understand that a lot of you guys are passionate about trading. You guys are very, very passionate. You guys are extremely happy when the market's open, and you kind of get bored. Like today's Friday, the markets are going to close. A lot of you guys get bored. You don't get to see the blue profits and everything like that. So, there's nothing to really stimulate your brain. And that's where most over trading comes to, is that you guys just like the feeling. You like to see the blue profits. And so when before market opens, right, the market's about to close today, you guys are going to go off, probably back test, maybe not do anything, just sit there and look at the charts and kind of just plan on what you're going to do as soon as the market opens. But with over trading, what happens is you guys start to get into setups that you're not supposed to. Some of you guys have too many pairs that you trade. A lot of you guys think more pairs, more money, but that's not the case at all. You can make a living just trading one pair. Like I said, guys, you guys know I only traded gold, back before I started trading indices, and that was my number one. I was making good profit on gold every single day. I didn't have to trade GU, Euro USD, UJ, GJ. You guys, sometimes your charts are full of pairs, crypto pairs, forex pairs, metals, index. Like, there's a lot of pairs that you guys are trading. And what you guys do is you guys just, if you guys don't see a setup for one pair, you just like to scan. You just like to click through the markets, and you kind of just give yourself an excuse just to get into a trade. And it's funny because when I tell the members or anything like that, like I'm not getting into any trades, someone asks me, "Hey, NG, are you trading today?" And I'm like, "No, market doesn't look good. I'm just gonna sit out for the day." And a lot of them can't comprehend that concept of just being able to sit out. That is a skill in itself. Being able to just, the market's moving, it's open, there's money to be made, and you can just say, "No, market doesn't look good. I don't have no setups. I'm just going to sit out." A lot of you guys can't sit out. A lot of you guys know you don't have a setup. The market is not moving well. It's a lot of manipulation today. But you still continue to watch and stare at the markets, and then you end up just entering a trade. Just because some of you guys struggle with over trading after wins. Okay. I have a winning podcast talking about winnings. You start to overtrade when you wins. You get too confident and you're like, okay, I just won. I got a 3-to-1 risk reward. I'm looking good. Account is up 200%. I'm looking to continue to trade. And you guys start to overtrade too much. You guys start to get into setups, more and more setups that are not even real setups. And you guys just want to continue to trade. You continue want to see that blue. And a lot of you guys cannot control yourself and just say, okay, I'm done for the day. Okay, I don't need to trade today. Some of you guys enter trades right when the market opens, like literally Sunday market opens, and you guys are already in a trade. And I figured, I'm like, why are you guys entering trades right now? Like, the market just opened. It just opened. You guys become too eager to get into trades. A lot of you guys still need to exercise that patience and understanding that We cannot be trading every single day, guys. You gotta realize that it's okay to not trade. It's okay. That is part of your trading journey. You being able to consistently be like, okay, we have a good setup today. No, we don't have a good setup today. Even when I said, because I've been live trading for a year now for VIP. And, we don't trade every day on VIP, right? I always look for quality setups only. And when I feel like a setup is not quality, it's not good enough, I'd say, okay, we're not going to trade today. And then, some of my VIP members, oh, well, what about GJ, NTG? What about GU? What about gold? Oh, there's a pattern here. Oh, there's a pattern. The mission is not to just look for a pattern and trade it. Okay, I'm not just looking for anything, any setup, and okay, yeah, let's go trade it. No, it's not. Trading doesn't work like that, guys. Just because one setup is not there for a pair doesn't mean we're just gonna bandwagon off another pair and be like, oh yeah, that setup is good, let's trade that. Oh no, US 30, let's trade that. It doesn't work like that, guys. Don't get into that foundation of trading, because what you're gonna end up doing is you're gonna be losing a lot of money. And some of you guys already know this. So please limit the times that you trade, okay? Limit the pairs, the amount of pairs, guys. Do not trade so many pairs. You don't need 20 something pairs to trade. You don't need it. If you have a system where you can trade all 20 pairs, okay. But there's no need for it. You don't need to. You can trade one pair and be perfectly okay. And some of you guys don't understand that concept. It's like, wait, how can you make money with one pair? Yeah, you can make money with one pair. The correct risk management, the correct setups, correct entries, correct TP areas, and you can make tremendous amount of money with just one pair. You don't need more than one. Okay? If you're trading more than one pair, that's just because you want to. But you don't need to, guys. Okay? There's a difference between a need and a want. So really focus on just one pair. Especially if you're struggling with over trading, guys, I would recommend just focusing on one pair. Okay, take your favorite pair, get rid of the rest if you are struggling with over trading, and just focus on that pair. Master it. That's how I did it. I mastered gold. I said, you know what? I'm gonna chop forex off completely, and I'm just gonna focus on gold. And that's the only pair I'm going to learn. That's the only pair I'm going to be aware of. That's the only pair that I'm going to learn its movements and everything. And I studied gold to the T, okay? And I mastered it. And I knew how gold moved every single day. It got to the point where I looked at gold so much after the year, and I went back to Forex, and it was almost like I can't even recognize the movement in Forex, because that's how long I haven't even looked at it, because I was so used to gold's volatility. If you guys traded gold back in 2019, 2020, 2018, even 2017, the volatility was crazy with gold. I mean, it was making moves every single day, right? It's not doing that as much, and today the economy is really bad and everything like that. So gold has been ranging much, but back then gold was easy for gold to do 150 pip move, 200 pip move, easy, guys. I mean, easy. New York session came in. News drop, man, I remember those times on gold. But anyway, I used to get so used to those moves, and that's how I really mastered it, just staring at that one pair, studying that one pair, trading that one pair. I really became one with gold when I was just that way. So maybe some of you guys need to do that and change it up a little bit. And then also another thing with over trading as well, a lot of you guys trade too many strategies. Okay, now I'm going to use my strategies for example, because that's what I know. Okay, so a lot of you guys want to trade breakout, pre-breakout. You guys want to use a bunch of indicators. You may be looking at another channel. Who knows? I don't know what strategies they have out there, but you want to be trading every single channel strategy. You have like 5, 6, 7 different strategies in your brain, and you're just looking for any one of those strategies to give you a setup. This is not a good way to trade, guys, because your win rate is going to be different. It's not going to be consistent because you're trading just a bunch of strategies and you're not consistently entering those strategies all the time, right? Because you can get an entry for one strategy and an entry on another strategy. So now you're just choosing which strategy you want to use. And that is not a smart way to trade, guys. You want to be consistent with just one strategy. Just use one strategy, guys. You don't need more than one. Okay. I know you guys want to have like, a big arsenal, and you want to be able to trade any kind of way that you want. But see, I don't have multiple strategies so that you guys can use them all at the same time. I have multiple strategies to equip you for your personal trading, your personal journey. I try to make it diverse. Okay. I try to make it so that for example, a lot of you guys work during the New York session, right? Well, some of you guys can't scalp the markets, and you guys don't have an available computer in front of you to be able to trade on the lower time frame. So I come up with higher time frame trading, support and resistance, something that can work better for your lifestyle. A lot of you guys with your trading, you got to understand that trading fits your lifestyle as well. So you have to be able to recognize that. A lot of you guys cannot, maybe you're out of session and you're busy doing something, and you can't really analyze the charts. You can't break it down. You can't do your full analysis from your top down analysis from the 4 hour to the 15-minute time frame. You don't have time. Well, this is where I introduce indicators, right? You look at the market, you see what the indicator is telling you, and it's easy. You can glance at your phone. Oh, it's giving me a buy signal. You just enter buys, use your risk, and that's it. And so I have these multiple strategies for you so it can fit you. Some of you guys are not good scalpers. Some of you guys, it's too much pressure. So there's day trading. It's a lot slower, bigger moves, and it just works better for you. So I have all these strategies that you guys can back test and try and see if you like it, see if it goes well with your current life situation so that you can use it. I don't have multiple strategies so that you guys can use them all at the same time. And you're looking, oh, I have this set up here, NTG show with the flag, but then I also have this indicator with the super trend that he showed me. And then I have this EMA here that I can enter. You guys are just like, at that point, you're not even really trading a strategy. You're just trying to combine everything at once, and it's not really going to go well for you guys. Okay. And I understand you guys trade multiple strategies because you just want the most possible entries. And it's like, guys, you don't have to enter so many trades. You can trade 1 time per day. You can trade 2 times per week. That's good. You can trade that way. A lot of you guys get shocked when I tell you, oh, NTG, how many times did you trade this week? Maybe 3 or 4. 2 trades. You're like, what? Only 2? What? And it's like, you don't have to clutter your MT forwards so many trades, guys. So many trades, so many losses. You have 5, 10, 15 losses. And it's like, why are you entering the market so much? You don't have to. Guys, it's not about how many times you enter the market. That's not what trading is about. Trading is about how many times you can enter the market at the right time. Okay? That's 2 different things. Just entering to make money, and entering when it's the right time. When you're entering, catching the right move. That's how you're going to be a profitable trader. Knowing when to get in, knowing when to get out. Not, okay, I didn't trade today, so I have to enter something. And then you scavenge or hunt the market for a setup, and then you just start entering things that you don't need to. So guys, release that pressure of over trading. You guys overtrade because you guys want to get to a level so quickly. You want to be that top % so fast. And you guys are rushing. You guys are just looking. And for you, when you're thinking about it, it's only, okay, in order for me to get to the position I want to be in, I have to trade. And you don't have to. Some of you guys have to learn how to sit on your hands, okay? Learn how to not trade. That's also a skill in trading. Do not rush your journey. I understand a lot of you guys may be, you want to get, like I said, obvious. You want to buy things. You want to take care of family. Maybe get out of a situation. You want to be financially free. You want to, be free from your job. Maybe have a labor job that you don't like to do. You don't want to deal with people. You just want to live a free life. I understand that. But over trading is not going to get you there any faster. It's actually going to get you there slower. It's actually going to hold you back from getting to where you want to be. So make sure you guys are not falling into over trading, and accept the fact that it is okay to not trade. It's okay. It's okay to be like, to look at the charts and say, dang, I really don't see anything, and just close the charts. That's okay. That's good. Just because you don't see anything, that doesn't mean you're a bad trader. No, that doesn't mean anything. Now, you will become a bad trader if you don't see anything, and then you stare at the markets, and then you're like, okay, I think I can draw something here. Like just something random, like you're drawing a rectangle, and I'm like, what is this setup? Sometimes, traders send me their setups, and I'm just looking at it like, what is this? Like, what did you just draw? They have like retracements out. They have like 10 different trend lines, zones here, zone there, this, that, 4H. And I'm like, why? What is this whole mess going on with your charts? It's almost like you're trying to actually draw what you want the market to do. Or you think drawing analysis will make the market do what you want it to do. It's not going to happen. Just call it quits, guys. Sometimes you guys don't know when to call it quits. And that's what a lot of things in life, right? People just dig, and it's not working. Okay, just relax. Think about it. Come back to it with a fresh start. You don't have to always keep digging at something, guys. It's okay to stop. Okay, you know what? Markets don't look good today. I'm just going to close the charts, and we'll come back again tomorrow. You're not missing out on anything, guys. And if you guys think you are, you guys should watch the FOMO, okay? Trading Psychology on FOMO. Because a lot of you guys feel like you're missing out on things. You're not. Guys, the market is going to be there the next day you wake up. It's going to be there the next week, the next month. The market is going to be there. Don't worry. It's not going nowhere. It's not running away from you. Don't feel like you have to get in a position, even if you're seeing moves. You just made profit for the day. Go celebrate. Withdraw. Some of you guys don't even do that. Withdraw your money. I'm telling you guys, it's a different feeling when you actually withdraw your money and you use it. Hey, withdraw your $20. Withdraw your $100. Go buy some groceries. Go buy some gas. Do something with it. Become a real trader. You guys will enjoy that. I promise you. A lot of you guys don't do that, and that's why you don't see the vision, because you're not really taking out your money. You just want to keep trading. But in reality, you can take that money out. You can go out to eat. It feels good. I'm telling you, when you buy things that you made profits on the market, it's almost like you didn't even pay for it. Because you traded the market, you made money. It's like, dang, I got some gas money. Yeah, I traded that. I made that money with gas. You went to the grocery store, you bought full groceries, and you used the markets to buy it. It's a relief, guys. So really learn how to do that. I think that's gonna help a lot of you guys. I've been training my VIP members to do that as well. It's just learning the process of withdrawals, because a lot of you guys don't have that stimulation of withdrawals. You make profit, but you're not actually using the money. And like I said, I always tell you guys, I'm going to say it one more time, before I end the podcast. Okay. Floating profit is not profit until you close the trades. Okay. And profit is not money until you withdraw it into your bank account. So really take account into that. All right. Because it's not real money until it goes in your bank account. So really exercise that, guys. And I do hope you guys enjoyed the podcast. If you guys did, make sure you guys hit that like button for your boy NTG. We're going to be talking about more topics on trading psychology, as you guys really do need it. So, and if you guys are struggling with over trading, well, just remember to slow the pace down, and that you do not need to trade every day. You don't need to trade 20 different pairs, and you do not need to trade no more than one strategy. All right, guys. So it was your boy NTG, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, and I'm out. Peace.